Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. Today we're learning how to reset your DreamHost account's password when you've forgotten the password and don't remember it at the moment. Before proceeding further, I would like to request you to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to reset your password, go to your web browser. Open any web browser you have and search for dreamhost.com and enter in the official website of DreamHost. Click on the login button at the upper right corner, and as soon as it opens, in the sign-in box enter your email address in the first field. On the next field, when asked to enter your password, since we don't know what the password is, simply go and click here to reset, and on the next page, you'll need to enter your email address in order to reset your password. Make sure to type in the correct email address and click on Reset My Password. After you do that, a link will be sent to your email address. Simply go check your email. Click on the link and you'll be able to create a new password for your account. That is how you can reset your DreamHost account's password. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.